Welcome to 8356 Sunset View. And right when you walk in, it basically is the money shot. So I like to start out here, and the reason why is because of that. Welcome to 8356 Sunset View. So we're right behind the Chateau Marmont, and I'm about to show you the Altman brothers' sickest new property that just hit the market yesterday, which means, well, you're my first showing. To begin with, this is some serious security right there. You see that? What I like about this room is that this is your LA, very California indoor-outdoor living. You got the open kitchen to the open living room to the open dining room that leads to the view. And this house is all about entertaining. So I like to start out here, and the reason why is because of that. That is downtown Los Angeles on a beautiful, hazy day, because that's how we like it here in LA. This is resort living at its best right here. I feel like I should take off my shoes with my little socks and yeah. Getting some sun. I mean, this is what LA is all about. Okay, now a lot of things in this house are very custom for the house. For instance, this furniture, all the furniture was made by the owner for this house. You got amazing Fleetwood doors which completely disappear. Popeye, anyone? Popeye? What's up? Arr, is that what, no, he doesn't do arr. What does he do? Aren't these cool? These are fun. I've actually seen this. It's an art chandelier, obviously. And you got this beautiful kitchen. Now you have also a kitchen behind those doors. So it's a what do you want to call it? A wet kitchen, a dry kitchen, basically a chef's kitchen, and then the dirty kitchen. I don't know, but you got two kitchens in this house. This is very cool because this is the poker room. Now this is a serious poker deck. You open this up, you put the cards in, they shuffle, put the money in, got the chips. This is the real deal. A lot of very famous poker games have gone down here. I don't play at this table personally because I will lose everything. Check this out. This is in the house. So there's koi fish in the house here. Hey guys, how you doing? I love koi fish. There's something so soothing about them. So this is one of the bedrooms. And what I like about this bedroom is the fact that who needs a TV stand when you can just use a safe? This is not the master bedroom. The master is upstairs, and you have the whole upstairs for the master, but this is a great secondary bedroom because it leads out to the pool, which I love. We got Matt Altman over here answering a couple emails. There you go. Now, a lot of people have not thought about this, but my client did, and that's why he's smarter than everybody else. You see now, when you're sitting on the toilet, sometimes you got nothing to do. But in this bathroom, you have a 55-inch screen TV that you can watch while you're sitting on the toilet. And check this out. Isn't this cool? I love this. It's super unique. I haven't seen this before. So you got the nice wood kind of mixed in with the resin. I think it's very cool. All right, let's go check out the movie theater. All these seats are custom. They all, recline, move back. Look at this speaker. This is a serious speaker system in here. This Einstein whole setup, well, that'll just blow your ears off. Come on. Welcome to the master bedroom. You got the suede door, which I love. Now, what's great about this, well, you got the custom red bed, of course, but you have a straight shot to a postcard view of downtown. When this is all open, you hear the waterfall on the pool. It's beautiful. I like suede. Do you guys like suede? I like suede. So this whole back part is suede. Now I'm gonna show you something very cool. I had never seen this before I came over to this house. This is the master bedroom. I want you to check out the wall. Look at that. So this is hand painted. I think it's covered in resin, obviously waterproof because we're in the bathroom. But I love this. It's such a cool wall. It's a piece of art. These are, I think, panels covered in resin. You got an amazing closet space in here. And this is very cool too. See, this is how you turn it on from here. Are you guys ready to see some cool stuff? Come on. Let's see what we got. Oh, there you go. That's a good one. This is actually one of the original Playboy pinball machines. I'm a big fan of, well, pinball, but obviously Playboy as well. So that's cool. This is all about entertaining, this deck. Now this is a real deal bar. It's got the ice machines. It's got the different areas for the different types of drinks and mixing and matching. I've actually been to a party here on this deck with 350 people at this house. So it's a serious entertainer's house. Now after the party, if you're the owner of this house and you want to just chill out and go into your zen indoor garden with a bed, that's what we have right here. So this is kind of the take it down a notch. You just had a lot of people. Everybody just saw your cool house. Now you want to take it down a notch. Another bathroom in this house. All the bathrooms are one of a kind. And this one caught my eye because I love this. This backdrop is amazing for the shower. You see that? Again, a custom piece in the shower. You are swimming with the jellyfish. It might hurt a little bit, it might sting a little bit, but that's what we got there. Now in quarantine, of course, they like to grow their herbs, which I'm seeing a lot of people do that at a lot of these houses. Everybody's getting very agricultural, which I love. And you have your outdoor kitchen as well, fully equipped to entertain. This is actually one of the most famous houses in the entire country, definitely one of the most famous houses in Los Angeles, and that is the Stall House. I think I was told once that that's one of the most not only photographed houses in the world, but also professionally photographed for shoots, movies and entertaining. It's a very, very famous house. It hangs off the cliff there. It's glass, it's cool. It's just what you get in the Hollywood Hills. So you got these cool lights everywhere throughout. So at night, you get really an amazing shot of this house. And that's it, the ultimate entertaining pad. Thank you for checking in with us today. Thank you for following us. Make sure to follow, subscribe, like, comment, everything like that. $14,995,000, Sunset View, Altman Brothers, newest listing. Let's go!